bird bombing. They're eating the berries on the plants, getting ready to migrate, probably fattening up, so they fly back and forth and eat some, then fly back away, and then come again in a sort of whirlwind around the trees. Watch them come, watch them move. Tallahassee, March 21st. Yes, that's the term, bombing. They fly down to the plant and eat a few berries and then fly away, and others come to eat, and then they fly away, and they come back and forth till all the berries are eaten up or the birds are full. Let's see if I can get a little closer here without freaking them out. They're right outside my window. It's obvious it's the same birds, the same flock, back and forth. Well, I reckon they're all done, or else I'll just have this video get too long. Goodbye.